Going up.
Okay. It's flying.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
I must have the right CG.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's going down just a tiny bit on this one,
Okay.
and maybe just a tiny bit to the right. Yeah, it's always a thrill when you take your first one up, isn't it?
How's the throw on the aileron?
They're good.
Okay, it's not touchy.
No. No, I think the box is trying to help me. I don't have the full box on though. Still going a little bit to the right. And I don't know what the sink rate is or I don't want to get it going too slow. I'm still going a little bit to the right. Ooh. I'm going to be coming in now, Kenny.
Okay. Looks a little high, I think.
Yeah, it did.
You might make it a... Yeah.
But it fell off okay. Ooh.
Go.
No, I didn't want to try it around again. Didn't know how much battery's left. But it settled down okay in the grass.
Yeah,
I
it did.
don't think it hit too hard.